Hello, dear friends. Very warm welcome to our View on the journey of fashion and styles with Safiranas. I hope so, dear friends, you all are fine and good, enjoying the good conditions of your health and do well. So, dear beautiful ladies and my dear friends, in my today's video, I'm going to share with you more than 100 plus styles and designs of summer season's daily wears, top shirts and blouses, styles and designs for beautiful ladies and girls. So summer wears daily tops for girls and women are designed to provide the comfort, styles, protection from the suns, making them perfect for warm weathers. So these summer wears tops typically features vibratable fabrics, cooling designs, and sun protections. Lightweight fabric, lightweight knitables, materials like cotton fabric, linen fabric, silk fabric, chiffon fabric, and cooling designs features like mesh panels, cutouts, or loose frills to keep you cool and comfort. You are going to find out t-shirt styles, you are going to find out scrapnum tops, crochet or nest tops. For your casual to formal wears, these beautiful and stylish top shirts and blouses are perfect for your everyday wears, outdoor activities. Also designs for your active wears, for your suitable sports or your fitness activities. I hope so, dear beautiful ladies, dear friends, you all are going to love the styles and designs of these top shirts and blouses. The versatile collection of top shirts, keeping you cool and comfort in your summer styles in your summer seasons. Fashionable girls, fashionable women must have these styles and these types of top shirts and blouses for enhancing their summer styles and look in 2025. You guys must have these styles and versatility of top shirts and blouses in your wardrobe. In style top designs, you will find alternative top designs and top designs with work styles, same styles, A-line styles, with beautiful neckline, beautiful sleeve styles. I love these styles, I love all these designs, and I hope so you all are going to love these styles and designs too. So tell me in the comment section, what do you love most about my today's video? Which one article is your favorite? Tell me in the comment section, this will be helpful for me for making my videos according to your opinions. I'm trying my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section. Also tell me in the comment which type of more videos you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful and helpful for you. Don't forget, if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will be never miss any idea, the collection, any style, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. Exploring the new styles, new designs, the versatility, the comforts of dresses. So do visit on my channel and watch the other videos of fashion and styles with Firanas. I am already uploading a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so you will be find out exit dresses, knitted dresses, summer seasons, vest designs, as well to formal wear dresses, work wear dresses for beautiful ladies and girls. I hope so those videos will also be useful and helpful for you. And you will get new ideas, new styles and new designs from those videos, so must visit on my channel and watch the other videos of fashion and styles. The purpose of making this type of video is just to giving you on your styles, the versatility, the comfort, the designs of summer seasons. 2025 top shades and blouses styles and designs for enhancing your styles and look. So pair these styles of top shades and blouses with your jeans, with your skirts, with your shorts or with your leggings. You can also add a touch of femininity with chilly styles. You will carry these styles of top shades and blouses for your daily wears. College going university going girls will also carry these types of top shades and blouses for enhancing their casual look. I'm very thankful to you, dear friends, for your kind support in my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me. Keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more style, and for more designs of dresses. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also giving your feedback in the comment section, dear friends. So goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas, styles, designs for you. So till then, take care of yourselves. Goodbye. Enjoy the video till the end. And take care of yourself.